Happy Wednesday, WRCC fans, and we've got a very special one for you today at West Riding Yorkshire Mining Centre. It is straight out of the West Riding workshop, so it's a full refurbishment. It's been stripped underneath, repaired, refinished. We first did this car in 2015 actually, sold it to somebody and it's come back to us, so we've refurbed it again, and a full refurb this time. So it's been stripped underneath, refinished and repaired, so it's absolutely perfect structurally. As you can see, the ash frame's really nice, really nice in fact. So that's been stripped, refinished in Osmo oil as per all our cars. The body's actually been off, so the body's been repaired underneath where the ash frame's been. Obviously we've got pictures of this, so if you inquire about it or whatever, just ask. It's had a full new refinish in its original black colour, new aluminium panels in the ash frame, full new Cherokee red interior. We fitted these 5.5-inch J wheels, but rather than doing silver or cream, we thought we'd do something a little bit different and do them in racing bronze, which I think looks absolutely immense against the black paintwork. Red coat stripe as painted by us. 1969 car. It's had 7 previous keepers. Obviously, like I say, it's just had a full refurbishment. We've spent hundreds of hours and lots of money and time and new parts on this, so that's where we get the quality of finish from. I mean, if you look at the shine on the paint, the finish on the wood, it is as good as it looks in real life. So come and have a look at it, because I guarantee you, if you're after something a little bit different, then this is the one for you. And if you come and look at it up here, I can guarantee you'll buy it as well. Right, so no bubbling anywhere. Obviously the paint's all nice, all new rubbers, new window runners, new rubber runners, new interior, so new Cherokee door cars, door pulls, seats are all perfect, headlining's brand new and perfect, all the interior trims are perfect and brand new, rear seat perfect, 4 seat belts in it, inertia reel, new glove box liners, showing 19,000 mile. Obviously don't mean a great deal. New parcel shelf, all the dash has been painted and everything as well, with all new rubbers in it, so it's all in perfect order. I will give her a start for you. I've just been running around, so she starts really well and runs nicely. Engine's been out as well, engine being detailed to show beyond show standard, as you'll see in a minute. So new clutch fitted when the engine was put back in. It's got alternator fitted, as you can see, servo fitted, it's got disc brakes on it, the wiring loom's all new and that's perfect. New fuel pump, as you can see, polished stainless rocker cover, all being detailed up, like I say, to show standard. And there's your mark of excellence there. You could take this car to any classic car show and it would have swarms of people looking around it. It's an absolute beauty. I love it. If I didn't already have my own car, I would definitely think about keeping this one for the summertime. So, same again. Insides the doors all perfect. Boot floor, as you can see, all perfect. Aluminium panels and everything all perfect. Boot liners all perfect, as you can see. Headlining, as I said before, is new. So this is a really special car. Like I say, it isn't had a bit of spit and polish on it. It is absolutely, it has had the book of parts and time and the kitchen sink thrown at it to make it what it is. Something a little different, even down to the commercial badges on it, just to set it off a little bit, make it a little bit different. Subtle, nice, classy, subtle mods. So if you like originality, it's still alright for you. But if you want something that's a little bit different, a little bit of a standout from the crowd car, then this is definitely for you. So it's on a 24,995. Full details follow at www.westridingclassics.co.uk. This is obviously going to be on our YouTube channel. Give us a call on 014228812 to want further details, or give us an email on inquiries at, but It's not just had the cosmetic stuff done, it's all new brake lines, new exhaust on it, all new pipes. Basically, like I say, it's had the kitchen sink with regards to time, effort and parts put on it. Come and have a look at it, you will be impressed, I can guarantee you. Cheers guys.